Do you know building a wardrobe you love doesn't mean having a closet packed with clothes? It's actually about having the right pieces, those staples that you can count on to create stylish and versatile, effortless outfits every day. If you're ready to simplify and elevate your wardrobe, today I'm sharing 10 essentials every woman over 50 should invest in for 2025, as well as a few tips you should consider when making these purchases. And these aren't just trendy buys, they're timeless, functional, and will help make getting dressed easy and effortless. Before we dive into the list, let's talk about a few quick tips to keep in mind when you're shopping for these essentials. First, I don't want you to run out to the store. I want you to start by shopping your own wardrobe. You may already own all of these pieces, some of these pieces, or even something similar. There's no need to buy duplicates if you don't have to. Second, I want you to make a list of the items that you're missing before you head out shopping. Having a plan will help keep you from getting distracted by all of the other things you'll see when you head out to the store. Third, don't buy something just because I'm recommending it. Think about whether it works for your own current lifestyle. Do you really need that blazer if you're mostly working from home, or will it end up gathering dust in your closet? Those are decisions you need to make, and I'm just here to help guide you on what I think are essential pieces. And finally, when you're bringing in any new piece into your wardrobe, make sure that it can go with at least 3 other items in your closet. That way it will provide you with lots of mixing and matching options. You're not buying just a one-off piece. You're buying a piece that can work back into your wardrobe so that you can make a wide variety of outfits. And it will help you create more outfits without needing to overbuy. These little steps can make such a difference when you're creating a wardrobe you truly love. Now that you've got these tips in mind, let's dive into the 10 wardrobe essentials. First on my list is a tailored blazer. A well-tailored blazer is a total game changer. It's one of those pieces that I think can effortlessly make an outfit look completely pulled together, whether you're throwing it on with jeans and a tee or dressing it up for a business event. And what you want to look for when you're shopping for a blazer, look for clean lines and a slightly nipped in waist, because that's going to make a big difference in creating a figure flattering silhouette. And neutral colors like navy, black, and camel are always classic. They're timeless, they're chic. But if a bolder color speaks to you, like a bright red or pop of pink, go for it. The real magic is going to be in the fit. And when you find a blazer that fits you beautifully, you'll feel polished, confident, and ready for just about anything. Essential item number 2 on my list is a crisp white button-down shirt. Now this one has got to be my absolute favorite on this list. I do have a problem with buying white shirts. I love them. I can't seem to get enough of them, and I buy them over and over again. And I love the potential of a white shirt. A white shirt is really going to be your ultimate wardrobe workhorse because it's so versatile. You can tuck it into trousers for a nice polished work look. You can layer it under a sweater for something chic and casual. Tie it at the waist over a dress for a really playful look. And my favorite way to wear it is long, loose, and oversized with a pair of jeans. Now, a nice crisp cotton is my favorite when it comes to crisp white button-down shirts. But if you live in a warmer climate or you're vacationing or it's warmer weather, go for a linen version too. That's going to be just as lovely. You can wear it layered over bathing suits as a beach cover-up for a light and airy vibe. The key to buying a good white shirt is to find one that fits comfortably, not too tight, but not too loose, in a fabric that feels really good to wear. This is one piece that I feel like can pretty much do it all when it comes to your wardrobe. Essential item number 3 is a great pair of jeans. You know, denim isn't just for the weekends. A great pair of well-fitting, high-quality jeans is a wardrobe must. And what you want to look for is mid-rise or high-rise jeans for a very comfortable and flattering fit. You go with a more low-rise jeans, which I heard are coming back in. They're going to give you the muffin top that we're all trying to avoid. And in 2025, a dark wash is really having a moment, but it's still a very timeless chic look. And you can choose them in straight leg, boot cut, or even a flared leg option. And these cuts are not only flattering, they're really easy to dress up or down. And skip anything that's overly distressed. The goal here with your jeans is to keep your look clean, polished, and stylish. Essential item number 4 is a classic trench coat. A trench coat is one of those timeless pieces that never goes out of style. It's the ultimate layering piece because it's perfect for throwing on over just about anything to give you a very pulled together and polished look. And you'll find trench coats in a wide variety of price points, so there's truly an option for every budget. They also come in different lengths, from a chic car coat to a dramatic mid-cap style. So you can pick what works best for your needs. And for maximum versatility of your trench coat, go for a traditional neutral shade like beige or tan. And if you want to give your outfit a little extra flair, keep an eye out for added details like a tie waist, contrasting buttons, or even a fun pop of color. Essential item number 5 I have for you is comfortable flats. Looking stylish does not have to mean being uncomfortable. And I think being women over 50, we don't have to be uncomfortable anymore. We've done that for years. I think I spent my entire 20s being uncomfortable because I wanted to look fashionable. Guess what? No more. I love having comfortable shoes on. They've got to feel good on my feet all day long. I'm not going to walk blocks and blocks getting blisters. I'm done with it. And if you're done with that, let me know in the comments. So a pair of well-made flats, whether they're loafers, ballet flats, or even chic slip-ons, can keep you looking polished while staying comfortable all day long. I recommend investing in leather or suede options in neutral tones for the most versatility. Don't be afraid to try a fun color, print, or metallic finish for a little bit of extra flair. Essential item number 6 I have for you is a structured leather handbag. We all need a go-to handbag, one that you can use day in, day out, that's your workhorse bag. You can carry pretty much everything you need without being too much, while the bag will still look chic and pulled together. And a structured leather bag is perfect for that option. Look for one that's medium sized so you can carry everything you need with clean lines and minimal hardware. That will keep it versatile enough for errands, meetings, or even dinner without looking overdone or getting dated. And neutral tones like black, brown, and taupe are always a smart choice. If you want to go with something fun, find one in your favorite color and bring that into your wardrobe. Essential item number 7 I have for you is a pair of tailored trousers or pants. Tailored pants are a must-have for a polished and sophisticated wardrobe. And what you want to look for is a pair with a flattering fit, mid-rise or high-rise, just like the jeans, work beautifully. And choose a neutral color like black, navy, or gray because it will provide the most versatility. What I love about trousers and pants is they're perfect for so many occasions, whether you're headed to a meeting, to dinner, or just want a more elevated look for the day. In fact, for all of these items, I've been shopping Quince a lot. I'm going to link all of my favorite essentials that I've found at Quince in the description below, so you can go check those out for any of the things on this list. Essential item number 8 is a lightweight cardigan. And cardigans aren't just for layering anymore. They can be standout pieces all on their own. A lightweight cardigan in a neutral or bright pop of color is so versatile, and it works beautifully over dresses, jeans, skirts, or pants. The key is to find one with a flattering fit and a little something extra, like unique buttons, subtle rib texture, or some embroidery details to give it a fun, modern vibe. Essential item number 9 on my list is a silk scarf. You can't go wrong with a silk scarf. It's one of those little details that packs a big punch. And it's one of the easiest ways to add personality to your outfit. Tie one around your neck, your wrist, or even your handbag for an instant upgrade. And what you want to look for is you want to choose a pattern or color that reflects your style, and you'll have a piece you can wear for years. Essential item number 10 is a versatile midi dress. A midi dress is one of the most versatile pieces you can have in your wardrobe. What I love about a dress like this is it can transition easily from season to season and works with just about any occasion. Look for one in a classic print like stripes, animal print, or subtle florals, or go with a solid color that complements your wardrobe. You can pair it with flats and a cardigan for spring, sandals in the summer, or layer it with boots and a blazer when the weather turns cooler. It's truly a one and done outfit that you'll reach for again and again. And why I'm spending all this time talking about essential pieces and why I chose these 10 to talk about is because they form the foundation of a versatile and stylish wardrobe. All of these pieces can be mixed and matched together to create endless outfit options. They're timeless, They're easy to mix and match, and they're perfect for creating looks that feel polished and effortless. So if you're ready to invest in pieces that truly make a difference, start with these essentials to build the right foundation. Now I'd love to know, which of these pieces do you already have in your wardrobe, and which are you excited to add? Let me know in the comments. You know I love hearing from you, and I'll see you in the next video.